Hello, my name is Venu. Today we will discuss about April 5th problem, shift 1.
Given that, let A is the 3 by 3 matrix. So A is equal to the values are A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3, and C1, C2, C3. It is a matrix. And A transpose also we need. A transpose is equal to the values are exchanged. A1, A2, A3, B1, B2, B3. C1, C2, C3. It is the A transpose. Now we need the value A transpose into 1, 0, 1. So multiply the A transpose into 1, 0, 1. 1 into A1, A1, 0 into B1, 0, 1 into C1 plus C1. A1 plus C1 is equal to, they give the 5, 2, 2. So is equal to 5. In the same pattern, A2 plus C2 is equal to 2. A3 plus C3 is equal to 2. It is the next to A transpose into 0, 0, 1 is equal to 3, 1, 1. So 0 into A1, 0, 0 into B1, 0. C1 is equal to 3. C2 is equal to 1. C3 is equal to 1. So C1 is equal to 3. So A1 is equal to 2. And C2 is equal to 1. So A2 is equal to 1. As well as A3 equal to 1. Next, so they give the relation A into 1, 0, 1 is equal to 3, 4, 4. So already A series to C series we know. So no use of A into 1 into A1. Already we know the A values. So don't multiply. I will take directly second. 1 into B1. B1. 0 into B2. 0. 1 into B3 plus B3 is equal to middle value 4. So third value, it is the C values. Already we know the values. So now they gave the one more relation A into 0, 0, 1. There is equal to 0 into A1, A3, B3 already we know. So 0 into A3, C3 we know. So 0 into B1, 0, 0 into B2, 0, 1 into B3. So B3 is equal to, they gave the relation 1, 3, 1. So B3 is equal to, B3 is equal to 3, B3 is equal to 3, B1 is equal to 1. Now we know the A matrix. A is equal to A1, A2, A3 means 2, 1, 1. B1, B2, B3. Only B1, B3 no. 1, no, 3. B2 is we don't know. Next to C1, C2, C3. 3, 1, no, 1. No. It is A. Mod A is equal to, determine of A is equal to 1. No. They give the relation. So there is equal to 2 into B2 minus 3 minus 1 into 1 minus 9, 1 minus 9 plus 1 into 3b2 minus 1. So there is equal to, they give the 1. 2b2, b2 is equal to 2 value. So the matrix A is equal to 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. It is the A matrix. Now we need the value A square plus A value. So A square value. A square value means multiply the same matrix. 2, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 3, 1, 1. 2 twos are 4. There is equal to 2 twos are 4, 6, 13, 8, 10, 10, 6, 7. It is the a square value. A square plus a. A square plus a is the a square plus a is the 8 plus 2, 10, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 13 plus 1, 14, 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 3, 13, 10 plus 3, 13, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 1, 8. It is the a square plus a. So the det of a square a plus a is equal to 10 into 80 minus 91 minus 6 into 14 8 are 112 minus 169 plus 7 into 14 7s are 98 minus 130 there is equal to minus 110 0 minus 169 112 7 5 minus 57 into 6 6 7s are 42 so minus into minus plus minus 6 6 7s are 42 6 5s are 30 3 4 it is 32 minus 32 into 7 7 2s are 14 7 3s are 21 21 2 2 to 24 so it is minus so 4 3 minus 3 minus 334 342 8 so det of mod a square plus a is equal to 8 so we need the value det of adjacent of a square plus a det of adjacent of a square plus a so the formula det of a square plus a whole power n minus 1 there is equal to det of a square plus a whole power n means 3 minus 1 there is equal to 64